let me show you how we can go and how we can exit the recovery mode on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. So the first thing that we're gonna do is turn off our phone. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And now we need to slide up over here in order to shut down the phone. Once it happens, once the phone is completely off, now you can press and hold power button and volume up, and you want to keep holding it until you see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you can just hold volume up without the power button. So we're gonna press and hold these two buttons. Now just volume up. Now I'm holding only volume up. And just keep holding until you see the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here, unfortunately we cannot tap on the screen in order to select something. We have to use volume buttons to navigate, so use volume up or down. And then you can confirm your choice by using the power button. And in here, if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to make sure that reboot is selected and just press the power button. Then, of course, we need to choose reboot the system. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.